everyone, thank you for tuning in to A Graders. Here's what to expect. Today we have with us an experienced math curriculum writer, Ms. Jennifer, who will share with us what the primary 6 students how they will prepare for PSLE. So Jennifer, what are they supposed to do?
Okay, so in September, P6 students are already done with all the topics and they are now into the intensive PSLE revision. So let's just take a quick look at the format of the math paper taken from the SEAB website. So just to take note that paper 1 consists of 2 booklets and they are not allowed to use the calculator, while paper 2 consists of 1 booklet and calculators are allowed. So just a quick one on the type of questions. So for MCQ, 1-mark questions are normally straightforward questions to assess the basic concepts and skills. For short questions, 1-mark questions, students are required to write the answer in the space provided and units will be given. They are also similar, straightforward questions that test the basic concepts and skills of primary math. So for 2 marks short questions, it may consist of 2 parts or 1 part. So for those that consist of 2 parts, 1 part will be 1 mark each. For those that consist only 1 part, then 2 marks will be given for the correct answer. However, if the answer is wrong, then 1 mark will be given for the correct method of working. So a reminder to students, please remember to do your working and show them as well. Then for paper 2, they are all structured or long answered questions. So all these workings are necessary. So please write clearly and neatly.
Okay, as we all know, paper 2 is often very time consuming and difficult. So how can parents actually help their child tackle this part?
Yes, paper 2 is normally the killer where students have to handle like 12 problem sums ranging from 3 to 5 marks. So some students have time management issues and they will panic when they realize that the time is running out. So at home, when they are practicing, it will be good for parents to actually time them when they are doing revision paper and advise them to spend adequate time for each question. And if they are stuck at one question for too long, please get them to move on to the next question. They can circle the question number and come back to it after they have looked through the whole paper. So this is a suggested time spent on each question in paper 2. You can take it as a guideline. So for 3 marks question, spend no more than 4 minutes, 4 marks question, no more than 5 minutes, and 5 marks question, no more than 8 minutes. At the same time, when they are doing their revision, get them to highlight keywords in the question. When they are writing down their statement, get them to label, because sometimes they may be one big chunk of statements. It will be good to label them so that it's easy for them to find out which value is for which item or data. Then at the end of the day, check their answers and make sure that the units are correct. Then for questions that they are not familiar with, it is good for parents to help to collate them, get them to do and try the same question again.
Okay, so I believe that they have to heavily use heuristics to solve word problems. So in this case, can you share with us what are some of the commonly tested heuristics?
Yes, so other than the questions that requires model drawing that they have picked up along the way, the commonly used heuristics are as shown here. You can refer to our previous month's video for some of the following heuristics.
Okay, so for this episode, can you let us know which heuristic are you going to share with us today?
Yeah, so for today, I will go through the more challenging heuristic questions with a heuristic concept, which is actually the units and parts. Okay, so let's read the question. Mrs. Wong baked some cookies and tarts for sale. The ratio of the number of cookies to the tarts was 5:3. After she sold 486 cookies and 149 tarts, the number of cookies left.
To watch more of such videos and information to help your child improve and learn ahead of others in school,
visit our website www.agrader.sg, click on this button, fill in your email address and receive all these useful videos straight in your inbox for free,
as well as the latest in promotions, so that you don't lose out on great deals with A Grader Learning Center.